I have a question for you. Are you sick and tired of answering questions asked by a AI computer? Well, I am. I suppose it was 5 years ago or so, I would call a number that was listed in a company or a product I wanted to learn something about. I would call the number. I might have to wait a minute or two, but then somebody would answer who was a live person, like me. I'm a live person. I'm not an Amaton. I'm not AI. Okay, great. We would talk and they would listen and we would have an exchange. And it was almost a wonderful, nourishing experience, no matter what the topic was. Well, what about today? Well, I call these numbers, doesn't matter where it is these days, but big corporations never have a real live answering the phone. But if they do, boy, that's a signal. That's a high integrity company. Go with them. But for most companies now, you call the number and basically, you're talking to somebody that sounds like they are a real person. It's quite incredible. It's almost eerie, but let me tell you, it's an automated computer. That's all you're dealing with. Now, if you want to be able to get well, it's important that you take control of your recovery. So when you're calling these numbers and somebody is saying, so why are you calling Robert? They'll always, of course, use my name. Okay, I said, well, I've got this particular issue. I'm trying to understand why I can't get your platform to work. So I give it a large explanation. The computer voice then says, well, I don't quite understand. Please explain further, more. I can't quite help you yet. I need to, in other words, you have this barrage of questions and all they're trying to do is they're trying to give you an automated platform response so that you won't have to talk to a real person. Well, quite frankly, I'm tired of talking with a computer. So how do you shut that down? I've got a great idea for you. It works for me every single time. All right, you call the number and then the AI computer is obviously responding. It's not a real person. So they'll say, well, so why are you calling, Robert? The computer says. Now, here's what you do in order to get a live person. You say, well, I'm just telling you right now, I've got a painting problem, my dog and my cat, and I'm telling you the weather agent now. And then, but my eyes, I'm seeing really well, but my skin, and then, oh, my clothes, I tell you, I'm doing the laundry, and agent now. And then the traffic today, oh, I'm telling you, I went out, the traffic was terrible. Agent now, a live person now. And then, by the way, my cat, Frizzy, says, hello, how are you, little AI? All right, now that's maybe a little long, but it's a lot of fun to do. Did I rehearse that for you? No, this is just gibberish. It's just using different words, different terms that have no nonsense whatsoever, that are nonsense, that have no meaning whatsoever. And so this computer AI is not able to understand anything that we just asked or said or responded to. And of course, we've used the word agent a number of times. Now, all I can say is this has been successful for me every time I've used it, and that's now been over a dozen. Give it a try, give it a spin. And if anything, I just want to say it is fun. It's enjoyable when you can trick the computer and actually then be able to engage with a live person. So instead of playing the artificial intelligence game, why not engage our real human intelligence and talk with another person who's actually a person who is live and human?